Toodles to find the last Mickey marker. So, get a move on.
Last one there's a stinky shoe. Uh-huh. Sinking sailboats. Could someone lend me a hand? Like now?
Everybody say, oh, Toodles! Oh, Toodles!
Oh dear, Toodles must still be missing. I wonder if Goofy found him yet. Let's call for Goofy. Everybody say, oh, Goofy!
Gosh, where are Goofy and Toodles? Gosh, where are Goofy and Toodles?
Toodles, we were really worried about you.
Me? Really?
Yeah, you. We were having trouble and we called Toodle.
Oh, Elizabeth! We were really worried about you.
We were really worried about you.
Me? Really?
Yeah, you. We were having trouble and we called for you.
Elizabeth was concerned for Sir Handel.
When you didn't come, we knew something was wrong. Whenever we need help, you always show up.
But what about the rescue truck?
Oh,
Oh, truck's lots of fun and all, but there are things you can do that no one else can do.
I guess you're right.
but just then, Sir Handel and Elizabeth heard emergency noise.
Gorsh, that sounds like our friends. And it sounds like they need our help.
Let's help them.
Guys, a little help. Guys, a little help here.
Look, up in the sky.
Guys, a little help here.
Look, up in the sky.
A little help here.
Look, up in the sky.
Hang on, Pete. Could you hurry? On account of I didn't bring my swim trunks and fins with me. Pop my power tools.
I can't get close enough.
Hurry up, guys. We don't have a lot of time here.
I can't get close enough.
Hurry up, guys. We don't have a lot of time here. Thanks, little buddy. That was just in time. You guys are the best. Thanks, pal.
Aw, thanks.
We're sorry, Toodles. We didn't mean to hurt your feelings. And we don't ever want you to think that we don't need you anymore.
Why, you're the best mechanical pal a pal could ever have. You're the best